This Coldwell Banker Premier Realty property video is presented by Suzy Weldon. This home features 3-bed, 2-bath with large yard and a creek through the property. Just at the edge of the city limits, gives you that out-of-town feeling, but just minutes away from all town necessities. 2 of the bedrooms, main bath, laundry room, and kitchen have been renovated and comes with all new appliances. Large storage room can be used as 4th bedroom or storage space. For more information, review the details below or contact Suzy Weldon at 479-746-8690.